In this video, we're going to look at collective nouns. So what is a collective noun? A collective noun is a word used to represent a group of people, animal, or things. For example, team, crowd, committee, flock, choir, group. So here's a list of examples, and just pause this if you want to. So these are all the ones for people, like a band of musicians, a board of directors, etc. Here are some ones for animals. These are called terms of venery, by the way. So an army of ants, a flock of birds. And here are some for things. A bouquet of flowers, a bunch of flowers, a fleet of ships. Now, collective nouns can be quite versatile. So look at these. A pack of thieves, that's people. A pack of wolves, that's animal. A pack of cards and a pack of lies, they're things. So sometimes they can be shared across these categories. So why should you care about collective nouns? Well, a collective noun can be singular or plural. So here's an example of a collective noun being singular. The shoal, that's the collective noun, was moving north. Here, shoal is singular. It's considered as one unit. The whole group is considered as one unit. The shoal were darting in different directions. So this conjures an image of all the fishes going in different directions. So the shoal is considered as plural. So you consider all the individuals within the group. Here's another example. There is always an incredible crowd that follows me. A quote by Muhammad Ali. And he considered the crowd as one unit following him, which is why we have follows, a singular word, not follow. So let's just have another look at the versatility of those collective nouns. So if you remember, pack could go with thieves, wolves, cards, and lies. But not all collective nouns are so versatile. You probably shouldn't say a bouquet of wolves, a swarm of students, or a litter of ships. But actually, let's just look at some of those again. A swarm of students. That conjures an image of lots of students in a frenzy. A pack of ships. Well, that conjures an image of ships hunting like wolves or thieves. It sort of brings pirates to mind. Or a forest of soldiers. That brings to mind thousands of stationary soldiers standing shoulder to shoulder. So, here's a bit of a tip. You can use the wrong collective noun, like a pack of ships, as a literary technique. So let's look at that. A swarm of protesters ran from the police. A swarm. It's got a connotation of them being angry, unorganized, lots of them in a frenzy. Let's just summarize. Collective noun. A word used to represent a group of people, animals, or things. There are some examples. Remember, they can be singular if you think of the group as a whole, or plural if you consider the individuals within the group. That's all. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on grammarmonster.com. You'll also find us on Twitter and Facebook.